Hello dears, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will prepare a recipe for anti-wrinkles. It is recommended to use this recipe 2 times a week. With regular use, the skin of the face will look smooth, clear, and young. For today's recipe, you will need onions. Onions contain vitamin C, antioxidants, and sulfur compounds. They renew skin cells and slow down the aging process. The natural acids in onions improve blood circulation under the skin, which gives the face a healthy glow. It reduces wrinkles, tightens the skin, and gives a youthful appearance. Due to its antibacterial properties, onions reduce and cleanse the skin. With regular use, an onion mask makes the face smooth, soft, and clear. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. For this recipe, we also need honey. Benefits of honey for facial skin. Honey is a natural moisturizer and rejuvenator. It restores the moisture balance of the skin, preventing it from drying out. The antioxidants in honey protect the skin from free radicals. It reduces wrinkles and gives the skin a youthful appearance. Due to its antibacterial properties, honey reduces minor inflammation and acne on the skin. Regular honey masks renew skin cells and make the face smooth and clear. As a result, the skin becomes soft, radiant, and healthy. Three, 4 drops of household oil, such as olive oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Mix all ingredients well in a small bowl. Once the mixture has thickened to a slightly thick consistency, apply a thin layer to a clean face. Leave on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Benefits: vitamin C and antioxidants in onions rejuvenate the skin and reduce wrinkles. Milk powder brightens the skin tone and removes dead cells. Honey moisturizes, softens the skin and makes it look younger. Jojoba or natural oil nourishes the skin and increases elasticity. It is recommended to use 2 times a week. With regular use, the skin looks smooth, clear, and young. Don't forget to do an allergy test before using the mask. Dear friends, if you found the video useful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hello dears, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will prepare a recipe for anti-wrinkles. For this recipe, we need onions. Benefits of onion for facial skin and wrinkles. Anti-wrinkle and anti-aging effect. Onion is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which protect skin cells from free radicals, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, boosts collagen production, keeps the skin firm and youthful, promotes skin renewal. The sulfur, compounds, and flavonoids in onion improve blood circulation in the skin. This helps regenerate new skin cells, make the skin brighter and smoother, lightens dark spots and pigmentation. Onion juice has a natural skin brightening effect that helps fade dark spots and sun damage, even out skin tone, reduce pigmentation and blemishes, fights inflammation and acne. Onion contains quercetin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compound that reduces pimples and redness, prevents bacterial infection on the skin. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. We also need oranges for this recipe. Benefits of orange for the skin. 1. Rich in vitamin C, oranges are packed with vitamin C, which helps boost collagen production, making the skin firm, smooth, and youthful. 2. Brightens the skin. Orange juice or peel naturally lightens dark spots and pigmentation, giving the skin a radiant glow. 3. Fights inflammation and acne. The antioxidants in oranges help reduce inflammation, heal acne, and calm irritated skin. 4. Hydrates and refreshes. Orange juice provides natural hydration, leaving dry skin soft and refreshed. Anti-wrinkle benefits of orange. 1. Stimulates collagen production. Vitamin C is one of the best natural agents for reducing fine lines and wrinkles. by improving skin elasticity. 2. Protects against free radicals. Antioxidants in oranges slow down aging, protecting skin cells from damage caused by pollution and UV rays. 3. Smooths and tightens the skin. Regular use of orange-based masks helps smooth wrinkles and make the skin firmer and more radiant. By the way, I used tangerines during the video shoot because I don't have any oranges at home right now, so you can use oranges. This recipe also requires tomatoes. Benefits of tomato for the skin. Brightens dull skin. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help make the skin look fresh, glowing, and radiant. They naturally remove dullness caused by sun exposure and pollution. Controls oil and acne. Tomatoes contain natural acids, citric and salicylic acid, that help reduce excess oil and fight acne-causing bacteria. They also tighten pores and prevent blackheads, reduces dark spots and pigmentation. The natural bleaching properties in tomatoes help fade dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone. Soothes sunburn and irritation. Applying tomato juice or pulp cools the skin and helps heal sunburn. Thanks to lycopene, which protects against UV damage, makes skin soft and smooth. Regular use of tomato masks exfoliates dead skin cells, improves texture, and keeps your face feeling soft and smooth. Anti-aging and anti-wrinkle benefits. Rich in lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes that helps fight signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Boosts collagen production. Vitamin C in tomatoes helps the skin produce collagen, keeping it firm and useful. Tightens and rejuvenates skin. Tomatoes help shrink pores and tighten loose skin, giving a naturally lifted and toned look. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Tighten your face and look young. Use a makeup brush to apply to your face. This onion and tomato tightens the face and makes the skin smooth. And milk helps to remove age spots and dark spots. Take the time to use this to tighten sagging skin. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. It is good for both sensitive and normal skin. Smooths your face and removes pigmentation. You have to put it back in the fridge to preserve it, and make sure you take it out every day and apply it, and use it for 6 days to get rid of age spots. Apply the mask to your face and wait for 10 minutes, then rinse.